Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create draft classes for franchise in Madden 26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just select franchise and select this option create new league at the bottom. I'm gonna choose offline solo. Let's choose roster file and they're just gonna import the roster. Once it is done, choose the team. I'll choose this one, New York Giants, and choose the coach type. Right here you can change apparel or appearance of the coach, but for instance I'll just save this and exit. Now choose preseason. Once it is done, just go to the last option, advanced week, and just choose this one, sim to regular season, sim ahead. Once you do that, choose the first option, choose draft class, and go with this one, keep auto generated rookies. Now choose first option, prospects. Once you do that, here you can start editing players. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose this player. So in order to edit this player, we need to press left stick down and you just gonna see the option for edit draft class. Once you select that, I'm just gonna choose the again same player to edit. And once you select the player, you'll able to edit style, ratings, apparel or appearance of the player. So for instance, I'm just gonna change the last name to something like 123 at the end. And once we do that, just get back from this, save changes, hit the back button again and choose export local file option. Now here you need to save the file. I'll just type QWE and just save that. Okay, get back from this, hit the back button again and just quit this. Again choose create new league option at the bottom and I'm gonna choose offline solo again. Choose this one, roster file. They're gonna import the roster, so wait for it to complete. Once it is done, choose the team again. I'll choose New York Giants again and choose coach type. Again for instance, I'll just save and exit this. Choose start playing preseason. Again go to the last option, advanced week, choose sim to regular season, sim ahead. Next again choose draft class option and this time we're gonna choose import local file. And there you go, this is the file which we have created, and that's exactly how you can create draft classes for franchise in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.